Hello everybody, welcome in today's video on how to buy STRK token on Coinbase. As you can see, I'm already logged in to my Coinbase account, and after that we have three options on the right top corner. The deposit option, the buy and sell option, and the send and receive option. We would like to buy, so we will select buy and sell. After that, this purchasing overview will be opened, and the first option they will give you is the one-time purchase. That will mean you can change the purchasing frequency. I have selected a one-time purchase, but if you would like to buy them repeatedly, just click on it and select the frequency which suits to you. After that, we can fill in the amount of cash we would like to use for this purchase. Let's say 100 euros. And now we can select the coin we would like to buy. And that is of course the STRK token. Tick it in, and after that it will appear in this list. Select it, and now we can change our payment method or add a new one. Just by clicking on it, and now this overview will be opened. As you can see, I have different payment methods. If you don't see any payment methods, then you need to check if your Coinbase account is verified, and after that you will click on add a payment method to add a new method to pay with. Go back and click on review order, and now they will show some information about this purchase we are going to make. As you can see, I'm spending 100 euros on this purchase. Normally you would spend 3.84 euros on Coinbase fee, but for me it's completely free, and that is because I have a Coinbase One subscription that will save you a lot of money on the Coinbase fees. They will also give you an option to invest on a weekly base, and once you have selected this button, the 100 euros will be spent every week on this coin. Notice that you can cancel it at any time, and after that you can click on buy now to add those coins directly to your Coinbase account. Hopefully this video was very helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next Coinbase tutorial. See you guys, bye bye.